You will need 1 strip of KT tape. For positioning, pull your hand up to touch your shoulder and bring your elbow up. This will create a slight stretch on the tricep muscle group. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. This will be placed 2 inches below the shoulder, just outside the armpit. With a light stretch, lay the tape down along the tricep, ending just before the elbow. Apply the opposite anchor with no stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.